Accidental injury from firearms is 100% preventable. If you keep firearms secured, no one will get hurt. Hi, I'm Officer Jasmine Merricks with VCU Police. We work in partnership with the Children's Hospital of Richmond at VCU to help families secure firearms properly at home. Before I show you how to lock a firearm, there are two safety basics to keep in mind. First, never leave a firearm in an unsafe place where it can get into the hands of a child or where someone who doesn't know how to use firearms can access it. Second, always take the time to secure your firearm so you don't have to remember whether or not it's locked. To secure your firearm the right way, use a gun lock. By using this cable lock, the firearm will not be operational. It is very simple to install and ensures safe handling. To use a cable lock on a handgun, start by making sure the firearm is unloaded. Then run the cable through the magazine well and the ejection port. Finally, lock the cable with the key and keep the key in a safe place. Here are some other examples of properly locked firearms. The cable lock can also be used on a firearm case. VCU Police supports firearm safety. We ask everyone to make sure firearms are secured safely at home.